Oh, well done, Gabby. Anya, what do you think of Gabby's performance tonight, Anya?
Sorry, I had to quickly finish writing down what I'd got on my mind. You said this to me in the week as well, and I originally said, don't sing it. But in a way, I'm glad that you did, because it does show how much you've grown since the last time you've seen it. I mean, the last time you did sing it, it was all over the place. I think we all know that. But this time, your lower notes were much more controlled, your belts are more controlled. I feel we're a bit messy, but nobody's perfect. And it is so much better than the last time I've seen it. You put more feeling in it. But I do think you are better than this song. I've always said it, I'll still say it, you are way better than this song. So if you are successful, I really do, really want you to challenge yourself and throw yourself out of your comfort zone. Because, Gab, I know it scares you, right, but you can do it. This song does not do you justice at all. But right there, the growth, was kind of like a full circle moment for me. It was really good. Well done.
Kelly?
Do you know, I really love the vibrato, especially like when you're in your lower register. It's just really beautiful when you are like down there and you're really relaxed and your vocal is just like, oh, it's just so easy, you know? And I think that's like the most I've ever heard you play with a song, like with the technicality and the way that you were moving your voice. And I like that, and I think that you should kind of like explore that more, because there were parts in there that were really beautiful. And the thing that stuck out most was the fight that you put into that performance. That was a really sort of like passionate performance. You could tell that you really wanted to be up there. And I don't know, it was just really emotional. And that moved me watching you up there. I don't think I ever got to hear you sing this live. No, but I think you really pulled that off. Well done.
Gabby, I'm actually really surprised, because for me, this is probably the strongest I've ever heard you. I was listening to you, and I was listening to some of the things you was doing. Like, obviously there was parts, it was challenging, like where you was going from one technique into another. It is one of them songs I think is a terribly difficult song to sing. But the fact that you took on this and you showed me there that you have come on so much is ridiculous. And I didn't see that in the audition as much as I have now. This is the moment I actually gone, hang on, this girl's grown so much. And that's what I saw then. You know, there is parts you're still working on, and there is with your breathing, because I think it's your breathing one of your main things. And that's how some of them weren't coming out as perfected as they could have been, because you weren't catching your breath enough. But the actual, what you offered and what you showcased then, to me, was like, my God, this girl has really come on so much. And not just that, how much potential you show in future, because you have got belts, you have got a low register, you have got that technical side, you've got a bit of everything going on. So I'm just thinking a couple more steps. Could this girl literally get to a point where she's gonna go boom? Because that's what I felt again tonight, and I haven't felt that for a while, but I felt it tonight. I really do think you should be proud of what you've just done, because to me, I wasn't really a big fan of this song choice, but I thought, you know what, let's see what she does for that thing. And honestly, I'll take back my words, because you really stepped it up then for me. Well done.